Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Somalia using the Remitly app. So you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, which is on the left side of the screen, and on the home page on the top left corner of the screen you can choose the country, the recipient country, which is Somalia in our case. And then you just have to tap on the get started icon on the bottom of the screen right here. And after that, you just have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you're going to see your local currency, and below that, you can see the same amount in the recipient country, in Somalia in our case. Then tap on continue to see all the available options that you can use for Somalia. Then you have to choose one, and then you have to type in the first name and last name of the recipient. Tap on continue. You also have to add the phone number of the recipient. Just type in the phone number. So obviously this, okay. Then you can also choose to notify or not to notify the recipient. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details, and the Remitly app is basically going to charge your debit or credit card just as a normal internet payment and send it to the recipient's bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.